Hi guys! So it's nap time here at the Moore house, and sorry, Steve just ran into the camera. He's our chocolate lab. Can you say hi, Steve? Anyways, sorry, it's nap time here at the house, and that means that mom gets a little bit of time to, do whatever I want to do. And so today that means making up a new essential oil spray. I just got the lemon eucalyptus oil, and I wasn't sure what I was going to use it for. But I know that lemon and eucalyptus are honestly two of my favorite oils. Like, I absolutely love diffusing the eucalyptus. I think it smells great. I have like environmental allergies, and so it just smells so great. I diffuse it at bedtime. I love laying in bed and smelling it. Anyways, I just got this oil this month, and I'm super excited to start using it. And I thought naturally that I would use it with the new citronella and make a spray. So that's what I'm going to do this afternoon. And I just wanted to give you guys a quick tip about when you make sprays with water. So first of all, use distilled water. And I have like the little 2-ounce spray bottles. I'll put a link in the comments below, but it's just so easy to make. And so when you use the distilled water, you put your drops of oil in. If you have Epsom salt, this is the trick. If you have Epsom salt, put it in the water, just a couple pinches of it, because what it will do is it will dissolve, and then it helps the oils kind of regulate into, or I don't know the right words, but it dissipates into the water, so that you don't, I always shake my bottles a little bit before I spray, but the salt actually helps bring it all together so that the oil doesn't just sit on top of the water. So there's a fun trick. 2 other ways that you can use this oil is you can actually put it on your toothbrush, and so like when you brush your teeth, it can give you an extra little healthy boost for your mouth. And then also, I'm gonna try this tonight. One of the other dogs just woke up too. I'm going to try it tonight when I wash my hair, and you can just put a drop on your scalp. And so, once again, I love the smell, and water enhances everything that you do with your oils. So in the shower, put it on my scalp while I'm washing my hair, and then it's definitely going to help. The aroma is going to help open up my airways while I'm, just regular breathing in the shower. So anyways, I'm just really excited about this, and I thought I would share with everyone. So let me know if you have any questions or comments or recipes below that we can share with others. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.